What?
There comes the fuel light.
Oh shit. She's smoking weed. Don't worry, it's only a blizzard. Screw this guy in front of us. He's just gonna fuck this all up for us. Who parks their car there?
Nice shoveling, dude.
Is he shoveling?
Yeah. Hey, why?
Oh my god, this is freaking awesome. Oh my god, we're going for it! We're going for it! Oh my god, it's scary!
This guy's like, what the fuck?
This guy's like, whoa, I'm driving in the blizzard! We are all gonna die.
Just gonna pass by him.
Whoa! It's kind of squirrely. Isn't there a mobile somewhere here?
Whoa.
That's the bus that's stuck. Oh my god! This is not cool. This busy ass highway. Oh shit, we gotta stop. We should just go slow through these. We are so done. This is the end of our road here.
Come on, man.
Oh my god. I hope we can go from this light.
They didn't make it.
Here we go. That guy's running a red light.
Yeah, don't worry.
Don't worry. By the time we
Get
get through it, it'll turn red. Look at this chick. It's only midnight. Oh my god. We don't know where the road is. Yeah. I think someone thinks they're gonna pass us with this big truck here. Oh my god, dude.
Starting out next to us.
My battery's about to die. No pain, no gain. Oh my god, we are doing 40 and it's 2 feet deep. Justin thinks he's in the truck. Oh shit, this is bad news. Oh my god, it's kind of squirrely.
Oh!
Alright, we're done. Serious? Are you serious?
Whoa! I ain't even trying to slow down, dude. I can't see.
I'm so scared. I'm just gonna keep recording so we wipe out. I got it on tape. Oh my god. Please stay green. Look, there's road. Oh, it's gone. Short-lived. I don't know what way the road goes here, but hopefully we decide.
I'm just going underneath green lights.
This is fucking terrible.
It's like checkpoints. Yeah!
10 more miles.
Got a little bit more gas. Yeah!
Whoa! Babe, eyes on the road.
Is Vision's open still?
We should not stop.
Kidding.
Who is texting us at a time like this? Don't! No! Two hands on the wheel. Please.
Don't worry about
Please,
it.
2 hands on the wheel.
Oh.
Oh my god, please, 2 hands on the wheel.
Shut up. Quiet.
You can't feel the squirrely with one hand.
Yeah, you can.
Oh my god, he's texting.
I wonder what my mom's message said.
He's not texting. He's
Drive careful.
driving. Right? Sounds like me. Oh my god, at times we can't see anything. Look, there's a gas station. They're closed. Holy shit, it's so deep there, it's hilarious. Oh no. Come on. Turn green, do not get on Highway 30. Oh my god, dude. It's not even Highway 30, it's Stoughton Road. I can't even tell where we are. Go to the right, you're good. No, don't. Oh, that car's stuck. Dude, Snoop is not going anywhere. That's for sure. Agreed.
Hopefully you'll be able to get in their fucking driveway.
I will find that out right now.
This fucker's driving in the middle like you.
Oh my god. It should open up here and you should be able to pick a lane.
Jesus.
This is crazy, dude. Oh, he's probably sleeping.
My brother's up with it now.
Yeah. Who's texting you?
Oh, that was fucking Rian's
No, you
text
said?
from- What?
What'd you say? Oh, I thought you said no. We are driving, and we cannot stop, because if we stop, we're stuck. Can we get in the driveway, you think? Yeah? Oh, sweet. Alright. Oh, we're gonna wreck. Oh my god. Alright, bye. Holy shit, dude. Get away from this fucking car in front of us. That's for sure. What did that car do? Miss its turn?
I know.
Or decide I gotta get out of here and turn at the last minute?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Did you just use your blinker?
Huh?
Look at that guy's using his
I
blinker.
gotta give this fucker some idea.
Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening to us. Traction control has been on since downtown. The little flashing lights in my dash. I do have to admit, it's only taken us 8 minutes so far.
No, what?
I've been recording for 8 minutes.
That's how long you've been recording.
Yeah, that was like the Octopus car wash. Oh my god. Zero visibility. Look, somebody's stuck. Holy shit. I have no idea where the road is.
I can see it.
I report this. The ice is collecting on the windshield. Oh my god, you can't see anything. There's a ditch on the left of us. No. A dotted line. I like dotted line. Oh my god. That kid is texting. Oh my god. There's like 4 kids in there and they're all like, I can't believe